Want to make an obstacle avoiding Arduino based car? If yes, then you are watching the correct video. In this video, we will make this car in very easy way. Let's make it. First, take any kind of hard sheet like wooden ply, acrylic sheet or ACP sheet. Next, take 4 BO motors and solder the wire to the motor terminals. Now, using the hot glue, fix all the 4 BO motors. Next, take an Arduino Uno and fix it using hot glue. And then mount the motor driver shield on the top of Arduino Uno. Now you can connect all the 4 motors to the motor driver. Next, take a servo motor and position the servo motor arm in the center position. Now, fix the servo motor using hot glue and connect its cable in servo 2-pin header. Next, take ultrasonic distance sensor and connect jumper wires and mount it on the servo motor arm using hot glue. Now, connect the ultrasonic distance sensor as per the circuit diagram. Next, take 18650 battery holder and fix it using hot glue. Now, the hardware part is almost done. Let's move on to the coding part. Connect the Arduino board to computer and open the code given in the video description. But before uploading it, we have to install 2 libraries. For that, open the library manager and search for Adafruit Motor Shield V1 library and install it. Next, search for NewPing Library and install it. Now the code is ready to be uploaded. Just select the correct board, port and programmer and hit the upload button. After successful upload, disconnect the USB cable, then take two 18650 lithium-ion batteries and place it in the battery holder. Now let's power it up and see how well it works. In this way, you can make your own ultrasonic obstacle avoiding car. If you liked this video and like similar contents, then support this channel by giving a like, comment and sharing with others. If you have any doubts or want to suggest some projects you like to watch in this channel, then feel free to tell us in the comment section. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Meet you in the next video.